I'm not sure if you guys can see, but we're like halfway through. It's starting to smoke a little. I don't know if that's supposed to be normal or not. Hi, I'm Andrew.
And I'm Dora.
And we're Mr. and Mrs. K.
We're a couple from New York that started this channel in 2021 to share our travel, food, and experiences.
Follow us as we find new, interesting, and exciting things along the way. Boop, boop.
Welcome back, friends. Today we head back to Costco to purchase the air fryer from last time. We have been eyeing on this air fryer for a while now.
And it was on sale, which ultimately was the deciding factor for us to purchase this air fryer.
This was $40 less.
Let's get into the unboxing. First things are the trays.
This looks very satisfying, I don't know why.
Yeah. There's a couple trays here. Oh, and they have the rack. It's actually not as heavy as you think. When we were carrying it from Costco, it wasn't that bad. And let's unwrap this bad boy.
I think this air fryer is like perfect size for us. We have seen ones are very bulky and like very space taking, and I think this one's like perfect for our kitchen. You can do pizza, bagel, roast, bake, broil, proof. Assuming that's dough proofing. And you can do air fry, fries, wings, nuggets, snacks, vegetables. It all looks very complicated, but I think it really means it's easy to use. This one, it comes with a Cuisinart instruction and a recipe booklet. It does not look as fancy. So this is the instruction and recipe booklet, and the first few pages just all the good stuff. And then on the back, there's
mini shepherd's pie. Maybe let's try making
this
that.
looks very complicated, but I like how they keep it pretty simple. No pictures and stuff like that.
I guess. All right, let's test this out.
We thought the first thing that we needed to make was fries.
So we prep the potatoes by washing it, cutting it, add a little salt and oil, and then right into the oven.
Turn into air fry temperature
400 for 15 minutes. Start.
Oh, it's so quiet.
Yeah, that's not really loud.
Very quiet.
I'm not sure if you guys can see, but we're like halfway through. It's starting to smoke a little. I don't know if that's supposed to be normal or not. But I do see a little browning on the potatoes. Maybe we should take it out and flip it a little bit. So this is about halfway through. See it kind of browning a little bit. Actually kind of surprised. It smells really good too.
It does.
So we're gonna flip it a little bit. Yeah, as you can see, it's still.
I think maybe we put too much in here.
Yeah. Alright, so the second time the 10 minutes is up, we flipped it once before at the halfway point, like around 5 minutes. Now it is done, and it's actually looking pretty good. I don't know if you can hear that. It sounds pretty crispy. I think some of the bottom parts didn't get cooked as well.
Yeah, it certainly feels like the top ones gets the temperature the most.
Let's give it a shot.
Let's try one.
Well, okay, it's not bad.
It's not the McDonald's ones.
I mean, obviously.
Sure.
But I think, we'll definitely add some salt to it. But I think this is pretty good.
We also tried to make frittata for breakfast. So we beat up 4 eggs, cut some onions, sausages, and season them up, mix them all together into a small pan, and then topped with cheese. We popped them into the oven, baked for 10 minutes at 350 degrees, and they came out fluffy, and it was so tasty.
I definitely wanted to make pizza, so I got my dough, threw pizza sauce and mozzarella cheese on this bad boy, and then popped it into the oven. When it came out, it was a lot better than I had expected.
To summarize everything, we put together a pros and cons list. On the pro side, we really like how it's a lightweight and perfect compact size for us.
Another thing that we like is the fact that it has a ton of different functions. We bought it primarily for air frying purposes, but it's nice to have a toast, bake, roast option, which makes things a lot easier. Another thing we liked is the UI. We thought that it was easy to navigate, and we didn't really have any issues when it came to onboarding. And there, to be honest, there's really no learning curve in our opinion.
What really surprised us is the quietness. We had to expect air fryers to have a very loud fan noise, but this oven is quieter than the microwave. Another cool feature they have included is the viewing light. It turns off automatically after you have it turned on for a few seconds, which is really nice in case you forgot to turn off your light.
Another thing is how intuitive it is. The oven actually stops cooking when you open and starts up again when you close the door. And the last pro we think is the removable drip pan, which actually makes cleanup a lot easier. And now we'll get into the cons list. The first point, right out of the box, we noticed that the cord was just way too short. It's really got to be right next to an outlet for it to be plugged in. The second con being the timer beep sound that it makes when the food is ready is that it's pretty quiet and pretty short as well. It's good if you want to sneak in a midnight snack and don't really want to disturb anyone, but other than that, it's really not noticeable.
And then the oven surface gets really hot after you're using it, so definitely use with caution. And then the last piece is the size. While it can be a pro, it also can be a con. Because of the compact size, it's not suitable to cook large dishes, so you can't really fully replace a conventional oven with this. Well, we hope you really enjoy watching this video today. Let us know what are some of your favorite air fryer recipes. Maybe we'll try them out too.
Don't forget to hit that like button, share, and subscribe. We release videos every Thursday. See you next time.
Bye!
Live long and prosper.